Imagine waking up every day, checking your earnings while sipping your morning coffee. Picture your freelance projects flowing in effortlessly as you build relationships with clients who appreciate your AI expertise. As the sun rises higher, you find yourself focused on a burgeoning online business, leveraging AI tools to analyze consumer trends that guide your dropshipping strategy. With each click of your keyboard, you're crafting compelling content that attracts loyal followers through affiliate marketing, promoting cutting-edge AI products that resonate with your audience. This seamless integration of multiple income streams begins to unlock not just financial freedom, but also the ability to pursue your passions without the usual constraints of a 9-to-5 job. As you navigate this journey, remember that consistency is key. Dedicate time each week to refine your skills and explore new strategies. Engage with communities of like-minded individuals who share your passion for AI, exchanging ideas and gaining insights. With patience and determination, these small, deliberate actions will lead to significant financial rewards, empowering you to live life on your own terms. Embrace the excitement of watching your efforts blossom into a sustainable income, freeing you to focus on what truly matters to you in life. The world of AI is waiting. Seize your opportunity. As days turn into weeks, you find yourself mastering the intricacies of each method. With the growing demand for online courses, you decide to package your AI knowledge into engaging video lessons, driven by a desire to help others succeed. You love the idea of sharing your journey, transforming complex concepts into easy-to-understand teachings that inspire many to take their first steps. Soon, your course enrollment spikes, validating your efforts and creating a ripple effect of positivity in your community, while the passive income from your ebooks steadily adds to your financial growth. As your reputation grows, businesses begin to reach out for your consulting services, eager to tap into your expertise in AI implementation. You find yourself engaging in dynamic discussions, crafting tailored solutions that not only solve their challenges but also enhance their operational efficiency. Each successful collaboration solidifies your status as a thought leader in the field, expanding your network and amplifying your opportunities. With every consultation, you gain deeper insights into industry needs, allowing you to refine your offerings and sharpen your competitive edge, ensuring your continual success in this evolving landscape. Now is the perfect time to reflect on the progress you've made and reassess your goals. As you look back on your journey, celebrate the small victories along the way, which serve as important milestones. Each accomplishment, no matter how minor, contributes to your larger vision. Take a moment to visualize where you want to be in the future, and let that vision guide your actions. Surround yourself with inspiration, whether through books, podcasts, or networking events. Continue to embrace the learning process, adapting to new trends as they arise. Your commitment to this path will fuel not only your financial success but also your personal growth in the expansive world of AI. As your journey unfolds, the realization hits you: the world of AI isn't just about financial gains, it's about reshaping your lifestyle, creating flexibility, and inviting creativity into your daily routine. As you step into this new chapter, the possibilities seem limitless, transforming your dreams into a vibrant reality. Embrace the journey ahead and let your passion for AI lead you to not only financial success, but a fulfilling life where you thrive in every endeavor you pursue.